The bill as amended is passed.
Congressional Republicans are on the verge of rolling back clean energy tax credits as part of the big, beautiful bill that's the cornerstone of President Trump's second-term agenda. On the chopping block is a federal tax credit for solar systems purchased by the end of the year, removing an incentive for home-owned systems that can cut energy bills down to as little as $17 a month.
Nothing about it is logical.
Scott Maskin is the chief executive of SUNation, one of the largest solar companies on Long Island. Maskin says the latest version of the spending bill represents a dark day for solar on Long Island.
At a time when Long Island, New York, and the whole country needs more power for data centers, AI centers, crypto centers, they're taking away the legs that support this industry and the 300,000 jobs across the country.
The federal subsidy covers about a third of the $20,000 plus purchase and installation costs, often allowing the systems to pay for themselves in 7 years or less.
That was the incentive, the tax credit.
Kim Catello used the tax credit to install solar panels on a Ronkonkoma home 2 years ago. She says if the feds sunset the tax credit, it might have been a tougher decision.
If you're not really getting anything out of it other than a little bit of savings here and there, it's unfair.
Long Island solar panel installers are bracing for a drop in consumer demand, which they say will have a widespread impact across Long Island.
1 out of every 7 homes on Long Island now have solar on it. So our 10,000 customers re-inject about $27 million annually into the local community where they're not spending on their electric bills.
Maskin says the spending bill will also have a domino effect on businesses that support solar panel installers, including suppliers of parts for panels and delivery truck drivers.
This actually doesn't just tap the brakes. This puts the foot down on the pedal for a lot of mom and pop businesses and all the way up the food chain. It's going to be devastating.
Trump has labeled green energy initiatives a scam and has focused his energy policies on fossil fuel-based energy and nuclear. If the spending bill passes, Long Island companies say they will look to New York to make up for the federal cuts.
They want Governor Kathy Hochul to come through and say, let's increase the state tax credit from $5,000 to $10,000.
For Newsday TV, I'm Virginia Huey.